God.
Hey, y'all, he'll never get this, though.
Stop playing with Big J.
He'll never get this, though. Should have never put it in my
Mama,
hand.
I gave it to you because my daddy say get that black key. He said you don't even need to touch that black key.
The red key.
I mean the red key.
Why? I know, cause
that's 700 horsepower.
I didn't know that. If I would have known that, wouldn't have damn.
That's that 700 horsepower.
Could have left that bitch at the dealership.
700 horsepower right there.
Wait, what's the difference about the red key and the black key?
That's basically for the track.
No, man.
Yeah, it's for
that's
racing.
When you want to go fast.
Who want to go 700 miles per hour?
You can't go 700 miles per hour.
Well, what the fuck it say?
That's just 700 horsepower, mom.
Who wants to use 700 horsepower?
Maybe
however, it's a lot. You're going fast. You can flip over, bust your head wide open to
Mama,
the beat.
but listen, I slang guy for a living.
Mac want to go more than 700.
Right.
Y'all making my nerves bad. Right?
Mac said 2020. So what the black one do? If that was 700.
500
horsepowers. Yo.
Mac and J. So I want to even when I grow up. That's why